Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Virender Seiko, and we are here at the 𝐁𝐢𝐜𝐲𝐜 Bike Ride Festival organized by the Bicycle Adda. I've been associated with Dr. 𝐁𝐢𝐜𝐜 and Dr. 𝐉𝐚𝐬𝐽𝐼 Gupta for a long time now, and that's how I got to know about Bicycle Adda. We are celebrating the 78th Independence Day today, and Bicycle Adda has been organizing rides for a very long time in a very polished, sophisticated way, and it's always fun to be a part of this group. We are all very excited, and hopefully we'll have a great time together. Jai Hind, happy Independence Day.